Okay, in this video we will do question number 10th. Of circles last exercise. Exercise 10.2, question number 10th. The question is, prove that there is no figure. You have to draw the figure by reading the question. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining the points of contact at the center. So let us draw the figure first of all. Question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents from an external point. This is the circle. Now this is the external point P. This is center O. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point. Angle between the two tangents, that means this angle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining the points of contact to the center. Line segments joining the point of contact to the center. This angle. These are supplementary. You have to prove that. That means if I take the point of contact as A and B, so we have to prove angle AOB plus angle APB is equals to 180 degree. This thing we have to prove. So also it can be observed from the figure that radius is perpendicular to tangent, so this angle will be 90 degree and this angle will be 90 degree. So you can write it can be observed that OA radius is perpendicular to AP tangent. Therefore, angle OAP is equals to 90 degree. Let it be first equation. Similarly, OB perpendicular to PB, same radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, angle OBP is equals to 90 degree. Second equation. Now you all can see here, this is the quadrilateral forming four-sided figure. OAPB is the quadrilateral. So by angle sum property in quadrilateral OAPB, using angle sum property. What is angle sum property of quadrilateral? That all the sum of all the interior angles of the quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Sum of all interior angles is equals to 360 degree. This is the property. So what are the four angles here of the quadrilateral? Angle OAP plus angle APB plus angle OBP plus angle AOB should be is equals to 360 degree. Now put the values. Angle OAP and angle OBP from first and second equation are 90 and 90. Remaining are angle APB plus angle AOB is equals to 360 degree. 90, 90, 180. So angle APB plus angle AOB is equals to 360 minus 180. So angle APB plus angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. Hence proved. that these two angles are supplementary.